Webgility's Pro plan provides the flexibility your business needs to stay ahead of the game in accounting. With a detailed look at each transaction and inventory management and sync, the Pro plan is perfect for sellers who want to track inventory and keep everything in lockstep between their channels. Connect Webgility to QuickBooks Online and one of the 2 included sales channels that you use. If you have more than 2 stores, don't worry. We can add as many channels to your plan as you need. Connecting stores is easy. You'll simply input your store's URL and login credentials, giving Webgility access to download and update store order data so that it can be accurately posted to QuickBooks. We take your data security very seriously, so don't hesitate to connect. We stay compliant with the most stringent industry, security, and privacy standards, and we've been a trusted partner and preferred vendor for INTUIT for over 15 years. With the Pro plan, you're able to decide between summarized order data via journal entries, or get a more granular view through individual transactional accounting. Transactional accounting gives you full control over each order and how it's pulled in. You can change this setting at any time if you're still working out your workflow, and you'll see the options and settings change to reflect the process you've chosen. With transactional accounting selected, you'll have full control over every aspect of how the order pulls into Webgility and how it's posted to QuickBooks. Under Transactions, set up your transaction types, payment methods, and any other field data for how the transaction pulls into QuickBooks. Choose how we look at your products on both sides using SKUs and product names, allowing us to match up your catalogs in both QuickBooks and your store, set inventory, assets, and expense accounts to track valuable COGS data and keep things organized. You can record and sync customer data, any third-party shipping or processing fees, as well as discounts, sales tax, and refunds. Once you got everything set up to your liking, go to the Accounting tab and pull in some orders. Review them individually before posting them to QuickBooks, or select multiple orders and post them in bulk. You can also review and post any refunds or shipping expenses from this tab. Under the Products tab, map, create, or choose which products to ignore between your stores and QuickBooks, and ensure everything's how you want it. Anytime you log in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard, giving you a high-level overview of your store's performance, with multiple reports and filters to see how each facet of your business is performing. Finally, when you feel that the data is flowing and you're ready to take the next step, turn on automation under Settings. You'll be able to set the frequency, and if using transactional accounting, the exact properties and data you want to pull over. If you're having any trouble along the way, remember that all Webgility plans come with top-tier expert onboarding, meaning you'll be taken care of every step of the way when it comes to setting up your workflows and making sure everything looks right. For those minute-to-minute questions, reach out to the team directly through Webgility Online or on webgility.com by email or by phone. For more information on Webgility Online or any of its settings and features, head to our Help Center using the link in the description, and follow Webgility for updates and more on all things e-commerce.